Hi friends, today we will do KodeKloud Learning Linux Basics course and labs. The lab name is Linux Bash Prompt. It's the second lab of the course. Let's go. What is the default style for Bob? To check that, we will use the echo shell command. This dollar sign is important. If I do not enter it, it will just appear as, and this is case sensitive. We should write it in capital letters. It will be wrong. It will just, the system will think it is just a normal text, so we will have to use the dollar sign. And this is case sensitive, I told you before. It is /bin/bash. The option is here. Let's go. Change the shell for Bob from bash to Bourne Shell. Bob's password is Caleston123. Important notes: standard users do not possess the ability to execute high-level tasks. Therefore, please prepend sudo to the command bin sh can also refer to the system's POSIX complaint shell. On modern Linux systems, usually not the original Bourne Shell, but a POSIX compatible shell such as dash or bash running in POSIX mode. Although we will change the default shell, we'll continue to use bash in the following questions, as a session restart is necessary for the changes to take effect. Let's go. We will use the sudo command because standard users do not possess the abilities to execute high level tasks. This is a high level task. And what will sudo do? If I write sudo before the command, the system will think that the root user is doing this. The root user has all access to all commands. Let's go. To do this, we will use the chsh command. That means ch means change and sh means shell. We will use the slash m slash s option. We want to do it slash bin slash ha, that means the Bourne Shell, and for the user Bob. Now sudo is asking for the password for Bob. The username is Bob. Bob's password is calaston123. Let's go. It is done. But if we use the echo shell command again, it will show as /bin/bash because the system needs a logout to apply the changes. So we logout use the exit command. If I hit enter, then this level disconnect to the server, and if I reconnect it, it will log in as the Bourne Shell. It is now in bash. But now if we check, it will show as /bin/x. That is the Bourne Shell. Let's check. It is done as we know. So let's hit next. What is the value for the environment variable term? The environment value of the environment value term is x term 256 color. Let's go with this. And we can check with this. Look, user profile scripts such as profile, bash profile, bash rc and others are executed when a user logs in, allowing the setup of the environment according to the personal preferences. To make changes persistent in Unix like operating systems, variables, aliases and other configurations can be added to these profile files. For example, to add a variable using the command line, echo export my variable example value profile. This command appears to export statement to the end of the profile file, making the variable my variable persistent across sections. To add an alias for ls-l, use echo alias ls-l profile. Okay. Create a new environment variable called project is equal to market. Make it persistent by adding the variable to the profile file. For this we will use the bash shell. So let's change it again. I forgot sudo. what is happening this. The password for Bob is Caloston123. Invalid option P. I forget it. We will use the S option. Maybe let's try the S option. Or I'll just temporarily use bash. The bash shell. First we will add environment variable to profile. Run this command to add a variable permanently. Echo export project Mercury profile. We will load new variables immediately. Maybe now we will, this is the verification. We will run the echo project command, check if the variable is set. The expected output is Mercury. We exported the project as Mercury. But we have write capital letters in here. If we write it small letters, I can use the small letters. For example, if this is a capital letter, this is a small, I will need to use that syntax. And the slash homes, the slash shell, return. These variables are created by the system that are uppercase. So that is why we need to use uppercase. Anyway, we will test it. Mercury. Let's check it. It is correct. Next, which of following are not part of the path variable. For that we will check using the echo path command. This is another variable path. User local s bin, user local bin, user s bin, user bin s bin, user games, user local games, snap bin s bin, user bin are all the foreign directories of the part variable. It is not optical code. We will go with this option. It's correct. We'll set an alias code up for the command uptime. Uptime is the command to show when the system is booted last time. What is the time information? Like I can show you. Up 34 minutes. That means that I am using this for 34 minutes. I have 3 options. I can use this syntax, that is with only 1 quotes, 2 quotes, and 1 quote with the whole part / Bob's profile. I will use option 1. We will use it is immediately into current cell section immediately. So we will this command. We will verification. We will run up, and this is the result of the command uptime. Let's check. This is correct. Updates Bob prompt so that it displays the date as per the format. For example, Wednesday, April 22, Bob cholesterol LP10. Negative changes made persistent. 2 options like this and like this. This is not much longer, this is shorter. I will use option 1. We will apply the changes immediately. Evacuated format prompt. So this is not like the Wednesday, April 22. This is Friday, April 24. That is only example. This is the real date. Let's check it. It's correct. We have done the lab. Congratulations. Bye bye friends.